Guys, welcome back. So today we're just gonna have like a get ready with me. I'm going to work now, so I decided to film me getting ready for work and then just have like a little chit chat with you guys because you guys are like my family, my friend. So I just wanted to sit down and get ready for work. I have like 30 minutes left, so I want to get started with the video, and I just want to talk about just like what's going on in my life now. What am I doing? Just catching you guys up with my life. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to the Pineapple Squad, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And it's gonna be a very long video, so if you don't like those kind of videos, I would appreciate if you would just don't watch, because it's gonna be a very long video. I'm talking about my life and stuff, or like just random things that I just want to talk about. So if you don't like those videos, then I don't want you to watch it if you don't have to. But if you want to, of course, stay tuned to the video and let's get started. So we're gonna get started, and I'm just gonna do like a simple makeup right now. I'm not gonna do anything crazy just because, like I said, I'm going to work, and I'm just gonna spray some of this Pixie mist on my face. Do you guys like my headband? I've been wanting headbands like this because if you guys know, I'm transitioning to natural hair and I haven't put heat in my hair for 4 months, and the results, I am so excited. I'm so happy to see the results. Like, I cannot wait until like, all right, I'm gonna talk now. I can't wait for like a year from now when my curls are like fully like, oh, that's so good. Like when my curls are fully gone, like down. Oh, Lord. Yeah, oh, by the way, I bought this at Dollar Tree and I love it. It's like you just fan your face. But yeah, I can't wait from like a year from now when like my hair is good and everything, and I don't have any more keratin in my hair. I just can't wait for that because I literally hate this process. Like, you guys have no idea. I am hating this process so much because I really want to style my hair and I can't style it. I don't have a primer. I feel like I have to buy a primer. If you guys know of a good primer, let me know because I don't have any primers. Hold on. So yeah, my makeup like gets out like over here. It gets really ugly at work, like right here. And it's actually really embarrassing when people are talking to me and they're just looking at like my pores right here, and it looks really nasty. So I'm gonna put this one on today, and this is the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. So I'm gonna use that one today. Hopefully right here the makeup doesn't get out throughout the day. Like right here. So yeah, I bought these little headbands because I want to like look pretty and everything. I mean, when I'm transitioning, because this curly hair thing is gonna be going on for a very long time. And yeah, so I'm gonna use the Flower Beauty foundation. I have a review on this if you have not watched the video yet. And guys, if I'm telling you that I found the perfect shade for my skin tone, this is the perfect shade. I don't know why I didn't purchase this color before so I can make the review for you guys, but this is the perfect shade. And the one I have, if you're wondering, is Sable D1. This is the perfect shade for my face, and I am so happy that I found it. So I'm just gonna put it on my face. Like, look at that. That's the perfect shade. Like the perfect thing for my face. Just gonna tap it like that. And all my brushes are dirty. Oh my god, I don't know why I don't wash my brushes. I honestly, like, that stresses me out. Like, not washing my brushes stresses me out so much. My camera's dying. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, I bought this new camera and I forgot to buy the cord that goes with it, and now it's like dying on me so much. Like, I don't like to use the battery all the time. I don't like to be washing batteries. I'd rather just buy the cord for the wall for the camera to use it like connected to the wall. That's how I had my other one. But I can't. Oh my god, I keep forgetting to order it on Amazon. I need to order it. Okay. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to finish this video, y'all. Like, all right, if you're wondering why I haven't been uploading any videos and stuff, it's because I started school. I started my, what is it? Associate's, bachelor. My bachelor's, yeah. I started my bachelor's, and it's been really hectic and really hard. The classes have, look at that, it looks so good. The classes have been testing me. Like, you know, testing me in that, like, it's been literally like putting me to work so much. And I do have my associates in, I have my associates in science, criminal justice, because that's what I was going to do before. I was going to be a lawyer, but then I completely changed everything, and now I'm just studying to be a video editor. If you don't know that, that's what I'm studying for. And I go to a school here where I live in New York, and yeah, it's been so hard. Like, I took a journalism class, which is like putting me to work in a good way. It's making me think and everything. You know, journalism is not easy. Journalism is no joke. Like, talking and writing and making essays and stuff like a journalist is no joke. Like, I don't know who thought that being a journalist is like easy, because it's definitely not easy. And I just, for the last like couple of weeks, I can't get my brain to work when it comes to like writing like a journalist. Like, I don't know if you guys have any tips or anything that I could do, but I honestly can't. Like, I can't like think like a journalist. Like, I'm trying to do my essays and stuff, and I just start writing like in the format for an essay, but I can't do that because, you know, I'm not writing an essay. It has to be like a journalist article, and I honestly can't do that. I feel like that's like the hardest thing that is going on with that class. But then the other thing is that I'm taking a statistics class, and if you know me personally, like, you know, like on a regular, and you know how hard, I'm gonna put a lot of powder because I feel like it looks ugly around here, so I'm just gonna bake like that. If you know me like personally, you know that I've been trying to take statistics for the longest time, and I just can't pass that class. And I feel like it's not even me that much, because I don't consider myself somebody that doesn't know math. It's just that I feel like I've been having really bad teachers, and the teacher that I have now, I'm gonna use this microbrow, and I feel like it's not me, to be honest. It's not me. I've been having the worst teachers ever. First, I had this Russian lady that she wasn't even teaching, and then I failed her class. She gave me an F, whatever. She was so rude. I could never ask questions because she wouldn't want to answer my question. She'll be like, oh, really? You have a question again? I'm like, what do you mean? Like, don't you get paid for this? Like, I don't get it. And then after that, I took her again by mistake. Ooh. And then I took her again by mistake because the last name was Brody, and I thought it was a guy. So when I chose it, I was like, okay, let me get this guy, you know, let me try it again. And it was her again, and I couldn't withdraw. It was a nightmare. She failed everybody, so that's 2 Fs that I already have in that class. Like, I couldn't believe it. I was so embarrassed. And she pretty much failed everybody in the class. She only passed like 2 people. And then I spoke to the dean, I spoke to the head of the math department and everything. And they were trying to find her so she could like give everybody a withdrawal, so the F wouldn't affect everyone in their major. But she literally bounced. She disappeared, and she went to like Russia or something, and they couldn't find her. So everybody that got an F pretty much has an F on the record for the rest of their life. And lucky for me, I have 2 Fs for her. So that kind of ruined my life. And then I took it again with a person that was tutoring me in math. So you know I was gonna pass that class because that tutor was amazing. So I passed it with a C. So then now that I transferred into a new school, when I graduated already, you know, because I only needed that class to graduate, they're making me take it again and get a better grade. Like, are you serious? Like, I feel like statistics is gonna ruin my life. Like, oh gosh, like, you guys know it's ruining my life. Now I have this teacher who he's like a Muslim, and I have nothing against Muslims, you know, it's not even about that, but it's just, I guess the country where he's in, from where he's at, they talk in this accent that I don't understand. Like, I don't understand what he's saying. I'm not learning. Actually, I don't think he's Muslim. I don't know what he is. No, he's not Muslim, but he has like an accent. And don't get me wrong, I have an accent and everything. Nothing's like, it's nothing against you and your accent. It's just that if we don't understand you, then that's, you know, it's kind of a problem. And he just literally just uses Excel. He just puts PowerPoint after PowerPoint, and that's it. Like, that's literally all he does. And I'm just there like, okay, can you stop putting PowerPoints? And, you know, I don't understand you. First, I don't understand what you're saying. I'm sorry. And second of all, just gonna clean my eyebrows. And second of all, you're using Excel, which you're making us learn something else. And I only see you once a week, and then the rest is online. So this teacher, we only see him once a week, and then the rest is online. So then we pretty much teach ourselves after class. After the 3-hour class, we go home and teach ourselves and do the homeworks and everything, which each homework takes like 5 hours because you're teaching yourself on everything. Every question, I have to go to YouTube and Google and just watch videos and teach myself. So that's why I haven't been like putting a lot of content for you guys, because this class has been kicking my butt. It's literally the worst thing ever. Like, I don't even have free time to like do anything else, because all I do is go home, cook, just like, you know, have me time, you know, shower, whatever, and then I just go to the computer and then I try to do, he gives us like 3 homeworks a week. Yeah, because it's a hybrid class, he gives us 3 homeworks a week. So he gives a lot of homework, and it takes us 4 or 5 hours to do each. So you already know that I'm not going anywhere. Like, my whole night is like over. My whole night is over. It's just there. It's just me in my couch doing my homework, and it's just really annoying. My lips are ugly. But that's what my life has been. Just homework. All my classes are hybrids, so they're half online, half in class. So it's been literally so hard, y'all. Like, y'all have no idea. I'm so grateful though. I really like school. I don't know, I'm someone that likes school. I like to go to school. I like to be doing something. I like to be busy. I like to be productive. If I feel like I'm being lazy, I start getting like bitter. So I'm not even complaining, don't get me wrong. It's just that this statistics class is ruining my life. Like, honestly, it's ruining my life, and I can't, like, I don't want to take it again. I feel like it's testing me. Like, it's honestly testing my Christianity, my life. Like, Jesus, like, God, like, I've been praying like crazy, because I just don't get it. Like, I honestly don't get it. I'm gonna contour with, my camera's dying. It hasn't died, what the heck. And this is the dark tan, the multitasker face powder by Marilenny, and I just use it as a bronzer, you guys know. Lately I've been feeling like my skin has been really dry. It hasn't been like nice like before, like a little combination. Now I feel like it's like completely dry, and kind of scary, because now that I'm growing up, I've been feeling like my skin has been changing like a lot. So it scares me, because I don't want to get old. Like, what the heck, I don't want to get old. For those of you that are like YouTubers and everything, I finally, my channel was finally released from MCM contract. Hallelujah, I'm so happy. Oh my god, y'all, like, I'm so happy. I'm no longer linked to any like YouTube network, and it was literally the worst thing of my life. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I got myself into. I don't know why nobody warned me. Ooh, y'all, you see this? I don't know why nobody warned me. I'm using Becca Prosecco Pop, and I don't know why nobody warned me about an MCM thing. I feel like they did help me a little bit. Like, they put my channels like in the first 2 pages of when you would search something, whatever. But I feel like, okay, they helped me in that, but they didn't help me in anything else. I feel like it was a waste of time. Complete waste of time. Like, complete waste of my time. And they were taking like a big percentage of like my YouTube earnings, which was very hard for me because I don't make a lot. Like, I'm just starting out, and like even if I make $4 and they take $2, that's like half of everything. Like, nobody has time for that. Up here. So I'm finally, oh my god, my eyelids are so nasty right now. Ew. For some reason, the Makeup Revolution concealer has been very drying on my skin, and it has been like kind of peeling, so I don't know why, and I don't like that. So I don't think I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna buy my ColourPop concealer again. I don't know, my skin has been very dry, so I don't know if it's my skin or the concealer, but like it looks really weird like right here. But yeah, I'm finally on my own on YouTube. No company, nobody taking my money. I'm so happy. So happy, y'all. But yeah, don't join one if you have a YouTube channel because nobody has time for that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for lips. I think I'm just gonna put this, and this is the Pixie times Chloe. I showed you guys this in my video. I think I'm just gonna put this gloss. I've been putting glosses lately. Smells so good. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my skin. I don't like how my skin looks. Like, it looks like I'm wearing makeup, like a lot of makeup. Oh, I hate that. I don't know what's wrong with it. All right, so I'm gonna set it with my setting powder. Setting powder, no. No powder, Marlene, no. I'm gonna use the Pixie one. I'm gonna use this one to hydrate my face because it looks very dry, like really dry. So okay, then I put a lot because I feel like my face needs like moisture. It's like so dry. Alright guys, so this is the look. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout the whole video. Thank you for listening to me. I know I talk a lot, but I just wanted to catch you guys up in some of the things that have been going on in my life. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Let me know if you guys like this kind of videos, and I'll continue to do them, like talking to you guys. I kind of feel a little bit better. It's like talking to friends. It's like letting you guys know like how my life is and stuff. But thank you guys so much. I love you guys. God bless you, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.